Hi, this is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network Realty, and today we're going to talk about living in a house that's for sale. There's a few key things that we're going to talk about. Start packing, donate, store, sell, chuck it, clean to the nines. A little bit of safety and how to recruit other people in to help you accomplish this goal. So first, let's talk about start packing. Yesterday was the day that you should have started doing it, but tomorrow will work as well. Clean out that closet. Work on your garage. Clean out the pantry. Do your kitchen cabinets. Get rid of the old stuff in the living room, like the blankets, the pillows, the tchotchkes, all the little things. Start putting them in boxes. Or if you don't need them anymore, just get rid of it. Maybe have a yard sale. It's a great way to offset some of the expenses. Plus, you don't have to do with it. People come pick it up. Facebook Marketplace is a good, you don't even have to touch it. Take a picture, post it on your local board. Your neighbor picks it up and you're already halfway down the road. Clean. Properties sell between 10 to 20% more when they're clean. Have you ever bought a dirty car? And if you were going to buy a car and it was dirty, how much do you think you'd get off for it? And we've read some research that shows 10 to 20%. So clean, clean, clean. The next is safety. People are going to open doors. They're going to look in closets. Hopefully they don't look in your drawers, but they do. So having that clean and tidy with nothing that could be missing is key. It just helps you along the process. And recruit your family. Get your brother, your sister to come over, have them bring some yard sale stuff, involve your kids. Maybe they want to go to summer camp or a new toy. Clean, get rid of it, donate, sell, start today, and get the family on board and recruit other people. Click, comment, or subscribe. This is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network Realty. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate anywhere in the country, you're in Montana, you're in California, you're in New York, call us. We'll get you an agent you can trust. And at closing, we'll make sure 5% of the commission goes to the charity of your choice. Guys, you really can make a difference when we move. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.